About this item unit count, 1.0 PSP 2000 replacement charging cable for Sony PlayStation Portable PSP 1000 2000 3000 series, PSP 1001, 2001, 3001, and E1000 gaming headset. The newly designed PSP USB charging cable can be plugged into a computer, wall charger, car charger, portable charger, or charger dock and other devices with a USB port to charge your PSP at any time. 3.3 FT PSP 2000 charging cable. Use high quality PVC flame retardant materials, not only safe but also very durable, long service life and easy to carry. Supports up to 5A and 480 Mbps data transmission through USB 2.0. Not only complete charging quickly but also complete upload/download tasks efficiently. We will provide 12-month and 100% satisfying after service. If you need help or replacement, please contact us by email first in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item unit count, 1.0 PSP 2000 replacement charging cable for Sony PlayStation Portable